Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you AI content writing tool honest review. What is the tool that can really change your business, that can really help you to generate unlimited content, and you will be able to create 1000 SEO optimized articles with embedded affiliate links to boost your traffic. This is the tool that I will introduce with you, that's called is Affpilot. I have been using this tool over 2 years, and this tool is right now on appsumo.com lifetime deal. This is the opportunity to you guys, okay? And this is the Black Friday sale, and the price goes up, and this deal will remove soon from AppSumo because I know the creator. I have conversation with this creator of this tool, who will remove the deal from appsumo.com after Black Friday sales promotion, okay? And guys, this tool is really powerful, and you can create articles with your affiliate links in bulk. So no problem, you will be fully amazed after see the tools. And this tool is pricing right now on appsumo.com lifetime deal $49. This is the one code, but this tool has some codes. I'm going to show you also everything. This tool has 8 codes. The code number 8 pricing is only $392. You will be able to create 500,000 words article every single month, and this is the opportunity. And also this tool has lots of features. If you also purchase one code, the basic plan, they will also provide lots of opportunity, okay? And guys, this tool is amazing, that's why I am sharing with you. And use this AI platform to create, publish and monetize hundreds of SEO-friendly blogs with just one click, one simple click. You can upload on your website 1000 plus blog post automatically. Just paste your keyword. This AI tool will write also images with images, so you have no problem guys, okay? And you can just add your keyword or link and watch the AI create human-friendly SEO content. If you want really a human-friendly tool, that tool can write a plagiarism-free content. This tool is really helpful, believe me. This tool is amazing, and this is the chance that you can purchase this tool very cheap price, but price goes up and deal will be removed soon from appsumo.com. and this is the lifetime deal. This is the opportunity for you guys, okay? And this tool is the founder, the creator, 𝐁𝐢𝐫𝐿. I know very well this person, and he is absolutely a fantastic guy. And you can also see lots of review on appsumo.com. This is a lazy tool, this is a life-changing tool, and this is the tool that can write SEO automations packed into one product, okay? And they actually super supportive, super qualityful, this tool. Why I am claiming this tool is really help you to generate articles, human writing articles, because this is this tool I have been using over 2 years, okay? And if you are struggling to keep up with regular blog posts, Affpilot AI automatically generates and auto publishes hundreds of SEO friendly articles loaded with affiliate links in just one click. Okay, and this is the best for bloggers, creators, marketers, and small businesses. Guys, I think I have given you enough information about this tool, Affpilot AI. This is very first AI writing tool that I have seen. Okay guys, and I think you guys have subscribed my channel. Please guys, subscribe my channel. Stay safe and thank you. See you soon our next video. Don't forget to consider the link official lifetime deal link in my video description below.